There's nothing better for your hands than working on flams and combining some of those really cool flam rudiments. So today I'm just going to show you how to combine flam rudiments to create some cool fills, some cool hand exercises, and to unlock your inbuilt hand speed. Let's get to it. Now, before we can combine anything, we need to know the things that we're going to combine. Otherwise, we'll just be here just hitting some drums. We're going to combine 4 different rudiments today. We're going to go flam tap, we're going to go Swiss triplet, we're going to do a flam accent, and then finally, we're going to do a flammed mill. Now, all of these are not the only flam rudiments that you could play, but they fall into categories of numbers, and I number them. We've got a flam tap, which is a 2. We've got the flam accent and Swiss triplet, which are 3s. And then we've got the flammed mill, which is a 4. Once we know those, we can start combining them and make cool different number combos. Again, before we can do that, let's learn what a flam tap is. Now, I've got a really simple formula for learning flam rudiments. We're going to strip away the flam, we're going to strip away everything, and we're going to get the root sticking. You can see that by on the bottom of the PAS 40 rudiments, the root sticking is the large letters. So a flam tap is actually doubles. We're then going to accent the first note of each double, which gives us this, and then turn that into a flam. It's a wee bit onomatopoeic, fancy word, so you can kind of go flam tap, flam tap, flam tap, flam tap, if you really want to. That sounds like this at slow, medium, fast. Now, a flam accent is hand-to-hand triplets, so we're just going to play nothing except right, left, right, left, right, left in triplets, 8th note triplets. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, right, left, right, left, right, left. Accent the downbeat or the quarter note. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, and then chuck in the flam. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. A bit faster. Faster, my max. Holding on for dear life, biting my own face there. Whereas the flam accent alternated, the Swiss triplet does not alternate. So we're going to play right, right, left. Just do that. Right, right, left, right, right, left. And just like the flam tap, we're going to accent that first double. Right, right, left, right, right, left. And now you guessed it, turn it into a flam. So we've got our flam tap, we've got our Swiss triplet and our flam accent. Now we're going to do a flammed mill, or a reversed paradiddle, you can call it. I call it a paradiddle inversion number 3. Right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. Again, accent the first of the double. Right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. Turn it into a flam. You get the idea now. And now, the world is your oyster when it comes to flam combinations. We can combine any of those in any order we want and create some really cool and challenging hand patterns. Let's stick with something simple to start with. Let's do 2 flammed mills, which is going to give us 8 notes. Flammed mill, followed by 4 flam taps, which is another 8 notes. Flam tap, flam tap, flam tap, flam tap. A little bit faster. It's got a nice flow to it. Just all the finger stuff that's happening. It's going to be great for your drum kit playing anyway, even if you play none of these on the kit. Sticking in 4/4, let's start to get a little bit polyrhythmic, a little bit out there. Let's play 4 flam accents. That's going to be in 16th notes. It's going to be 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A. And then we're going to do 2 flam taps. 4 E and A. Sped up a bit. getting those fingers working, getting everything going, and it make a cool fill. We've got that Phil Collins in there tonight. Ba, 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 ba vibe to it. Would make a really sick fill if you split those flams between the cymbals and you go, you'd be an absolute boss. Now, these are the kind of things that I would do inside my online school, davemajormusic.com. There, we can learn to break out of the pattern trap, not practice the same things over and over again and make no results, and actually achieve our goals and unlock our true creativity on the drum kit. If you want to check it out, all the information is down below in the description. I'd love to see you in there. Let's take that same idea and half it. So why don't we do 2 flam accents and 1 flam tap? Hello, switcheroo. Get kind of 3-3-2 vibe. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Because the Swiss triplet and the flam accent last the same length, we can actually substitute that into the previous exercise. That gives us, instead of flam accent, flam tap, that's going to be Swiss triplet, flam tap. Nice. So now the final thing today, let's do some odd groupings using the 3s and the 2s. If we were to play, for example, 2 flam taps, that would be a 4, followed by a Swiss triplet, that would give us a 7. What about if it was to be a 5? Well, that could be a 3 and a 2. That could be Swiss triplet, flam tap. That would alternate. Flam accent. Create a 9. Create an 11. Put them all together, create a 33 point whatever. Whole point here is we've got these flam rudiments that live on their own. They silo, but now we need to combine them to create new stuff. Every single one of these things will help your hands get better, but they will also sound awesome in the kit as fills, as grooves, and just make you a better drummer. So that is a non-exhaustive list of some flam combos that you can create. One cool thing to do is just create random stuff. Choose a couple, combine them, see if you like it, try something new, and as always, practice it, develop your own ideas, and I'll see you in the practice room.